The case of Selvi and others versus the state of Karnataka is a landmark judgment by the Honorable Supreme Court of India that addresses the constitutionality of involuntary administration of certain scientific techniques in criminal investigation. What was the background of this particular case? So in this case, the petitioners challenged the involuntary administration of three techniques used in criminal investigation. The first one is narcoanalysis, which involves administering drugs like sodium pentothal to induce a semi-conscious state aiming to extract information. Second one is the polygraph test, measures psychological responses such as heart rate and blood pressure to detect deception. The third one is brain electrical activation profile, which is also known as brain mapping. It detects the recognition of stimuli by measuring brain responses. The core issue was whether subjecting individuals to these techniques without their consent violated their fundamental right under Article 20 Clause 3 and 21 of the Indian Constitution. What were the legal issues? Does involuntary administration of these techniques violate the right against self-incrimination under Article 20 Clause 3? Second one is, does it infringe upon the personal liberty and privacy under Article 21? Third one is, are the results of these tests admissible as evidence? What was the Honorable Supreme Court's analysis and verdict? The violation of Article 20 Clause 3. The court held that the forcibly subjecting individuals to these techniques constitutes testimonial compulsion, thereby violating the right against self-incrimination. Then violation of Article 21. The court emphasized that personal liberty includes mental privacy. Involuntary administration of these techniques infringes upon this right. Then admissibility of evidence. The court ruled that information obtained through these methods without consent is inadmissible in court. Consent requirement. The court mandates that such tests can only be conducted with the individual's informed consent obtained in the presence of a judicial magistrate. Thank you so much.